Hello everyone, welcome to the chemistry class. In the previous video, we have done sodium, calcium, magnesium react with water to produce hydroxides, while these three metals, aluminium, zinc and iron, reacts with steam. They do not react with water, but they react with steam to produce oxides and hydrogen gas. Why is this so? एल्यूमिनियम जिंक और आयरन स्टीम से ही क्यों रिएक्ट करते हैं? बिकॉज these three elements are less reactive than sodium, calcium and magnesium that we can see from the reactivity series. Here is the reactivity series. See, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver and gold. See, these three elements present at the top, they are present at the top of the activity series, so they are very reactive and hence they react with the cold water, while magnesium reacts in the middle, so it reacts with hot water. It is less reactive than these three. Next, aluminium, zinc and iron, they react with steam, and the elements which lie below in the activity series, they do not react with water at all. Next is the reaction of metal with an acid. Metal react with dilute mineral acid to form salt and hydrogen gas. What are the mineral acids? HCl, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4 and nitric acid, HNO3. Metal react with these two mineral acids to produce respective salt and liberates hydrogen gas. Metal do not react with nitric acid, but it only reacts with these two mineral acids, that is HCl and H2SO4. Here see, zinc react with sulfuric acid to produce zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Reaction will be, symbol of zinc is Zn, H2SO4 reacts to produce, now zinc will go with sulfate and hydrogen gas will be liberated out. Zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Similarly, you can write the reaction with magnesium. Magnesium plus H2SO4 produce magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Same reactions you can carry out with the dilute HCl as well. Magnesium plus dilute HCl will produce magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Valency of zinc is +2 and that of sulfate is -2. +2 and -2 cancel out. That is why zinc sulfate is ZnSO4. Magnesium valency is 2 and calcium valency is 1. Now, hydrogen gas is produced when metal reacts with an acid. What I said, hydrogen gas is not evolved when metal react with HNO3, that is nitric acid. Why is it so? Because nitric acid is a very strong oxidizing agent that it oxidizes hydrogen produced to water and itself reduces to nitrogen oxides, maybe N2O, NO or NO2. That is why hydrogen gas is not produced with the nitric acid. But see, there are two metals, manganese and magnesium, which react with dilute nitric acid to produce hydrogen gas. ये एक exception है. All other metals do not react with the nitric acid to produce hydrogen gas. But ये जो दो metals हैं, they react with nitric acid to produce the respective nitrates and hydrogen gas. See, manganese plus dilute HNO3 reacts to form manganese nitrate and hydrogen gas. Then you balance it. यहाँ पे 1 आएगा. Manganese plus nitric acid, manganese nitrate plus hydrogen gas. Magnesium plus nitric acid produces magnesium nitrate and hydrogen gas. Next one important topic in this is aqua regia. एक्वा रिजिया क्या होता है? इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज रॉयल वाटर, इसको रॉयल वाटर भी कहते हैं. इसकी कंपोजिशन क्या है? ये किसका बना होता है? कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड नाइट्रिक एसिड, दीज टू आर प्रेजेंट इन द रेशियो 3:1 टू प्रोड्यूस एक्वा रिजिया. सी, जो गोल्ड और प्लैटिनम है इनको नोबल मेटल्स बोलते हैं. ये किसी भी एसिड से रिएक्ट नहीं करते. ये गोल्ड एंड प्लैटिनम हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड से भी रिएक्ट नहीं करते, नाइट्रिक एसिड से भी रिएक्ट नहीं करते, बट दे कैन रिएक्ट विद द एक्वा रिजिया, दैट इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ टू, वेयर हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड and nitric acid are present in the ratio 3:1. So noble metals such as gold and platinum can react with the aqua regia.